messing with crap. Maverick seems to work without that turret piece in right here, and without the air restrictor pieces, like without anything on. Let me screw this back together. Now this is supposed to come in like that. I'm just gonna leave it out. And no, I can't leave it out. Just gotta do this one. Let's use the mechanism. Okay, where's the piece? I'm gonna just find the screws again for this. Screw them back in. And put the gun back together. And my gun was already broken, so that's why I'm messing with it. And this does work without like any of the stuff. I'm gonna keep it like this. Got the wrong screws. Well, instead of cutting these pieces off for the barrel mod, I'm just gonna go ahead without any of that. See if it'll for that mod. I don't think it's gonna work. Well, let me see what other. See if this will even hold. Oh, it will. Kind of. Not really. I don't know. This is kind of getting messed up. Yeah, probably not gonna work. Let me pop this back open. Whoop. Take this out. since I'm bored, I never opened up this part, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Oops. Stupid. What's it called? Never mind. Stupid magnetic screwdriver. Whoops. Again. Wow. It's really weird. Very confusing. Now I know for next time to not open up this part. There's slide right there for the trigger. That popped out. Well, there's the shell. Really, there's the shell. Looks weird without this. Very, right there. Without that. Where's that spring? I think I lost that spring. If I don't take all this apart, here it is. It can get confusing. Let me see if I can put this stuff back in. Where's that? Sorry, took that out for a little bit. Yeah, don't do this. I think the trigger assembly is just to say how it comes screwed into the shell. About to pop off. Crap. Screw this down. Let's see, how much time? Oh, okay. Crap. Camera's dying. I don't know the chargers. Let me just tighten all these screws. Yeah, don't take apart all the internal stuff unless you know what you're doing, which I don't. Sorry for keep taking it out. If you're still watching, how are you still watching, I should say. They're starting to work again. It's really hard to see. Sorry. This video is going to take forever to upload on my computer. Yeah, it's working now. Okay. And if this doesn't work, I am not opening it up again. I'll just let it to rot. Which I normally would never say for a Nerf gun. I'm like not that type of person who would give up like right there and then. There's that part. Still, I took out this. All of these. Here, let me grab them. That's where the air strippers were. I'm probably not going to put the slide back on. I'll probably just use like my screwdriver to hold it. I don't know if I'm going to put this back on. Because we're here. So, if you're still watching, like how are you still watching? For how long I've been going. It's probably going to shoot up in my face if I try to cock it right now. Sorry again. I'm trying to get behind my tripod so I don't get like killed. Oh crap, yeah. Same thing keeps happening. I think I know what I can do. Once I'm done this video, I'm gonna put a piece of hot glue over here and make it so it works. So, if you're still watching, please subscribe. I'll have a test firing video right now, well after this, because I gotta heat up my hot glue gun. So bye, please subscribe.